Luoyang Harvest, FMD Agricultural Machinery Equipment Co. Limited, founded in 2011. The predecessor was Henan Chiang Yanghong Machinery Manufacturing Co. Limited, built in 2002. It has been in operation for 22 years. The company is located in Peony City, ancient capitals of 13 dynasties. Industrial agglomerations on Yang County, Luoyang City, Henan Province. Company fixed assets 380 million yuan. The factory covers an area of 200 acres. Building area 58,000 square meters. The company's products cover 40 to 260 horsepower wheel tractors, independent RDT, customizable services for market demand, fully meet the needs of customers' local operations, harvest and divide the beauty of the product, beautiful appearance, reliable quality, well received by users. Luoyang harvests and divides beauty, have a sound quality management system, have complete testing equipment. Harvest and FMD products have perfect structural design, excellent performance, convenient operation, etc. At the same time, it has a complete service network and user file management system.